Struggling with sleep after 65? This olive oil recipe might surprise you. As we grow older, getting a full night of deep, restorative sleep often becomes more difficult. For many over the age of 65, waking up multiple times during the night or feeling tired even after a full night's rest is all too common. While this may seem like an unavoidable part of aging, there are natural, science-backed ways to improve sleep quality without relying on medication. One of the most powerful yet overlooked ingredients? Olive oil. Used for centuries in Mediterranean cultures, olive oil is more than just a cooking staple, it's a therapeutic powerhouse. Rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, extra virgin olive oil has been shown to support hormone regulation, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation, key elements for a restful night's sleep. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 5 carefully designed recipes that incorporate olive oil in smart, delicious, and practical ways to help improve sleep for adults over 65. Each dish not only tastes wonderful but also delivers targeted nutritional support to calm the body, soothe the mind, and prepare you for deep sleep. Part 1. Why olive oil may be the missing link to your better sleep. Sleep disruptions in older adults are often linked to hormonal changes, increased inflammation, and a decrease in melatonin production. Research shows that certain compounds in extra virgin olive oil, particularly oleic acid and oleocanthal, may counteract these effects. Oleic acid, a healthy monounsaturated fat, supports serotonin and melatonin production. Oleocanthal acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, reducing discomfort that may interfere with sleep. Polyphenols in olive oil combat oxidative stress, which is linked to poor sleep and age-related cognitive decline. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry linked regular olive oil consumption with better sleep efficiency and duration. Another clinical review in the National Institutes of Health, NIH, database indicates. The key is not just using olive oil during the day but strategically including it in your evening meals or snacks, allowing its properties to W. Part 2. Recipe 1. Warm oatmeal with olive oil, chia seeds, and cinnamon. This comforting evening bowl combines complex carbs, healthy fats, fiber, and magnesium, all nutrients that support deep sleep. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or warm water. Optional, 1/2 sliced banana or a drizzle of honey. Why it works? Oats. Oats are a rich source of melatonin and serotonin, 2 key hormones that help regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Research shows that the melatonin content in oats can promote better sleep by helping balance circadian rhythms. A study published in Nutritional Neuroscience found that oats are beneficial for improving sleep quality by enhancing melatonin production. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and tryptophan, both of which play a significant role in improving sleep quality. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory effects and their ability to support brain health, while tryptophan helps the body produce serotonin, which aids in relaxation and sleep. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been shown to stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing nighttime sugar spikes that can disrupt sleep. According to research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, cinnamon may help regulate blood glucose, thereby promoting a more restful and uninterrupted sleep. Serving tip: enjoy this meal 60 90 minutes before bedtime to allow digestion and relaxation to begin. Part 3. Recipe 2. Sautéed spinach with garlic and olive oil. Simple, savory, and full of minerals that help calm the nervous system. Ingredients: 2 cups fresh spinach, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, pinch of sea salt. Optional, dash of lemon juice. Why it works. Spinach, rich in magnesium. Spinach helps to relax muscles and calm the nervous system, which is essential for a good night's sleep. Magnesium has been shown to help regulate the sleep hormone melatonin, contributing to improved sleep quality, as outlined in a study published in Sleep Medicine Reviews. Garlic has been shown to improve blood flow and support heart health, both of which can help with sleep. A study in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology indicated that garlic may improve blood circulation by reducing blood pressure, which can lead to a more restful sleep. Olive oil. The healthy fats in olive oil are absorbed efficiently, supporting hormone regulation and reducing inflammation, which is a key factor in sleep disturbances. A study in neurochemical research found that the oleocanthal in olive oil has neuroprotective properties, reducing the impact of oxidative stress on sleep quality. Serving tip: pair this with a small piece of grilled salmon or eggs for a sleep-promoting dinner. Part 4. Recipe 3. Roasted pumpkin soup with olive oil and seeds. This silky, warm soup provides tryptophan, magnesium, and zinc nutrients shown to support melatonin production. Ingredients: 2 cups pumpkin, roasted or steamed, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 small onion, chopped, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 cup vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon roasted sunflower or pumpkin seeds. Why it works. Pumpkins are rich in magnesium, which helps relax muscles and calm the nervous system. Studies, including one published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, show that magnesium can improve sleep quality and reduce the risk of insomnia in older adults. Seeds. Sunflower seeds are high in tryptophan and zinc, which are essential for the production of melatonin and serotonin, both of which play critical roles in regulating sleep. According to research published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, zinc has been shown to improve sleep quality by supporting these neurotransmitters. Olive oil. Olive oil's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce oxidative stress, promoting brain health and facilitating better sleep. Studies published in Neurochemical Research have shown that olive oil's oleocanthal compounds support sleep by improving brain health and reducing the impact of inflammation on sleep patterns. Serving tip: ideal as a light evening meal or bedtime snack when pureed and served warm. Part 5. Recipe 4. Soft-boiled eggs with olive oil drizzle. Eggs are one of the few natural sources of melatonin and contain protein that stabilizes blood sugar through the night. Ingredients: 2 eggs, soft or hard-boiled, 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil, pinch of cracked pepper. Optional, chopped parsley or herbs. Why it works. Eggs are rich in tryptophan, which is essential for producing serotonin and melatonin, the sleep hormones. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that foods rich in tryptophan can help increase melatonin production and improve sleep onset and quality. Olive oil. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil support hormone production and reduce inflammation, both of which are vital for a peaceful sleep. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, olive oil helps regulate cortisol levels and improve overall hormone balance, promoting deeper and more restorative sleep. Serving tip: best enjoyed as a light dinner or snack 2 hours before bedtime. Part 6. Recipe 5. Warm milk with olive oil and honey. This ancient remedy is reimagined for modern wellness. A soothing beverage that blends tradition with science. Ingredients: 1 cup warm almond or oat milk, 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon raw honey, pinch of cinnamon, optional. Why it works. Warm milk. Warm milk is a classic sleep remedy because it contains tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin and melatonin. Research published in Sleep Science and Practice shows that the combination of warm milk and tryptophan can promote feelings of calmness and help the body prepare for sleep. Honey. Honey provides gentle insulin stimulation, which facilitates the entry of tryptophan into the brain, promoting sleep. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed that honey's effect on insulin helps reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. Olive oil. Olive oil's rich content of oleic acid and polyphenols help calm the body, reduce inflammation, and enhance serotonin production, all of which contribute to better sleep. Research published in Neurochemical Research found that olive oil helps improve sleep patterns by supporting overall brain health. Serving tip: sip slowly 30-45 minutes before bed for best effect. Part 7. Why consistency is key for better sleep. One of the most crucial aspects of using olive oil for sleep enhancement is consistency. Incorporating these simple recipes into your nightly routine consistently over time will allow your body to respond positively, leading to improved sleep quality. While individual results may vary, the anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective, and hormone-regulating properties of olive oil, combined with the nutrients in these foods, can create a nurturing environment for restorative sleep. By maintaining a regular routine of consuming olive oil before bed, you not only promote better sleep but also support other areas of health such as brain function, heart health, and digestive well-being. Conclusion: the path to restful sleep may be in your kitchen. For seniors over 65, sleep is not just about feeling rested, it's about maintaining physical health, emotional balance, and cognitive clarity. These 5 olive oil-based recipes are more than just meals. They are tools, crafted with intention, backed by science, and designed to nourish your body through the night. Incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your evening routine is a small but powerful change. It aligns with what your body naturally needs as you age: healthy fats, steady blood sugar, reduced inflammation, and support for natural sleep hormones. Always choose high-quality, cold-pressed olive oil, and remember consistency is key. With just a tablespoon a day used mindfully, you can turn every dinner into a healing ritual that promotes better sleep, night after night. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult your doctor or healthcare provider before making dietary changes, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications.